Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present a summary of the current development, potential, and strategy in dry Madura soil to support food resilience. Before that, I introduce myself. My name is Inor Mayati, and I am 21. Indonesia has fertile land and a tropical climate. The corn commodity is a mainstay in the field of food, industry and energy. Corn commodity as industrial raw material and also product animal feed, oil, sugar, corn flour and others. Corn is the second staple food ingredient after rice, which is consumed by various residents such as Madura. Madura Island has an area of 5,82433 km. From the west to the east, Madura Island has three lands, so there are several commodities that can be developed, for example, such as corn. East Java Province in 2011 to 2015 contributes the largest maize commodity in Indonesia because at that time maize production increased. In East Java, the highest maize product is produced by the Madura region at 13%. Cultivation of increasing maize in Madura is carried out with the potential for land suitability. Besides that, it can also be increased with hybrid seed of varieties, because hybrid seeds can increase maize production 3 times more than local seeds. In the Madura region, most of the maize cultivation is because it is seen from a very large area, and according to the cultivation of maize enriched 70 to 792 ha from the Madura region. Madura Island in the maize area of approximately 3,016 hectares is 30% of the maize area in East Java. There has been a slight increase in maize product in the island of Madura in the last 10 years due to the sport, namely the use of fertilizers, and the considered must be paid more attention. Commodity corn can be used as animal feed and industrial material, so it is not only as from consumption 55% need for corn as animal feed and 30% for consumption, and the rest for industry. In 2016-2020, the demand for maize in animal feed was 1,239,513 tons to 40,182,238 tons, while in the foodstuff industry it was 4,591,148 tons to 5,751,529 tons. There are several types of corn price on the market. The price of corn is around 2,500 rupiah per kilo, and the price of corn for consumption in the market is around 3,750 rupiah per kilo, where the price of corn as industrial supply is 4,100 rupiah per kilo. For the import-export price of corn at the world price of around 2,000 rupiah per kilo. Madura maize has a long shelf life of about 1 year, and there is also a lot of protein and higher fat content than other hybrid maize. For the problem that exists in Madura in developing and increasing the productivity of maize depending of government policy, where government policy in agro product are not prioritized from the direction and also the type of development. For land productivity productivity is still quite low and can be used technology to carry out long management. The current commodity is quite difficult for the marketing process due to the parties who act as collector and harvest them and also the low price market. This causes hierarchy to not development in order to encourage interest from production. And from my cultivation in Madura, it is said to be quite traditional because farmers do it done from their families and the limited capital that farmers have, so that it becomes difficult for farmers to be invested to make change that can increase productivity in crown culture. With the problem, a SWOT analysis will be carried out in which there are 4 strategies in the development of maize in Madura for food security, which can be done by continuously increasing production and conducting product cultivation as well as conducting training in increasing knowledge about technology and human resource development, cooperation with marketing agency and improving the quality of production and support and facility of the government, as well as the government must cooperative with financial institution. So for the presentation from me, thank you.